What's up, everyone? This is Tyler with Clarky, and I just wanted to show you a quick integration that you can set up with your Clarky agents with Resend. So they recently announced inbound emails. We've already been using outbound emails, so I figured it would be a good time to show you how to set up both really quickly and easily within our Clarky system. So first thing we're going to do is head over to Clarky. Now I need a demo company. So luckily, right here under Visit Example Website, we have this fictitious website company called What's Up Electric. And you can call it and test out Clarky Voice. You can text it, Clarky Text, Clarky Email, and Clarky Chat here. So what we're going to do is just simply copy demo.clarky.ai, come back here, and just create a new agent from scratch. So here, we're just going to put What's Up Electric. This is where you would normally put your business name and your business website. And then here we're going to just create a brand new workspace and hit Create Agent. And the first thing that's going to happen is it's going to crawl that site. So you'll get a little notification saying that it's crawling the site. In this case, it's already crawled it, so it's cached. So we don't have to do that. You can tell with our onboarding that you can send your first message like, what do you guys do? And you'll see it crosses that out on the onboarding. You can also try out the phone calling and text, but we're here for the email. So let's get to that part. So I'm just going to minimize this. We're going to go over to settings. We're going to go to email setup. And you'll notice inbound email is already on. So if we were to email this email address, it's going to go right into the inbox of this Clarky agent. But we want to show both the inbound and outbound capabilities. So I'm going to click outbound on. All right. And here it wants me to go to resend and grab a key. So I'm going to create a key. It needs to be full access because we validate a few things. So we just need that. So I'm just going to put demo in here, hit add. I'm going to copy this value and I'm going to come over here to Clarky, paste that in. And then here we'll just put, we call our little mascot here Watson. So we'll just say from Watson. And here it's hello@demo.clarky.ai. Now, when I tab, it's going to verify that this domain is valid. When you're inside of Resend, you'll go under domains and you'll see your domain here, and hopefully it's nice and verified. It must be in order for this to work. So just make sure you're doing that. You can't just put any old address on there. So if I just put like example.com and tab, it's not going to work. You got to put the correct one and it'll validate. Now, I'm going to turn on AI auto reply because that is the cool stuff. So I'm going to turn that on, hit save, and bam, we're all ready and set up and ready to go. So I'm going to go into settings, email, copy this email address. Now I'm going to come in here. I'm going to hit paste, and under subject, I'm just going to put question, and then I'm going to say, tell me about your services. So this is going to use the information that we crawled from the website to get us hopefully all of our information on WhatsApp Electric. So I'm going to hit send. And it hasn't sent quite yet. So we have this undo functionality. Okay, now that's gone. I'm going to go back into Clarky. I'm going to click on inbox. This is a previous test, so we won't worry about that one. There it is. Tell me about your services. And I click it, and it's already replied. And if I go back to my email, there's the reply. It's just that quick. And notice it says from Watson. So that's it. That's all it takes. You've got an inbound and outbound AI agent trained on your website, already auto-responding to your emails. Super duper simple. Now, the only thing that you could do in addition that we didn't talk about is you probably don't want to have it send to that very long email address. So if we come back here to settings and email setup, don't have people email this. This would be weird. What you want to do is in Gmail, you can go here and click all settings and click on forwarding, and you could forward all your email and still get it in your Gmail, but you're also forwarding it to Clarky so that it can reply back. Or you can simply go to create a filter here and if you have like an info email or something like that, you might be able to set that up on the to, or whatever the case. You can have any sort of circumstances that you want trigger here. And when you go to the create filter, you'll be able to select a forwarding address from there. So just do that in Gmail, and then you'll make your life a whole lot easier. So that's it. I hope you liked it. Check out resend.com. Those guys are great. And yeah, get your email agent going right away. Thank you so much.